When you ask God for a cake, He gives you the ingredients. Life often works in mysterious and unexpected ways. Many times when we pray or ask for something from God, we expect an immediate and tangible answer. If you ask for a cake, you might hope for one to magically appear before you, but instead of delivering the finished product, God often provides the ingredients, the tools, and the opportunities for you to make that cake yourself. This simple metaphor reflects a profound truth about life, faith, and the process of growth and fulfillment. The value of the process. Imagine asking for success, happiness, or wisdom. While we might wish for these things to be happened to us effortlessly, they rarely come that way. Instead, God gives us opportunities to work toward them. The ingredients may be patience, persistence, lessons through challenges, or even the people who cross our path. Each of these pieces is essential, though they may not always look like the answer we expect. When you bake a cake, the flour, sugar, eggs, and the other ingredients by themselves don't seem much like a cake. It is only when they are combined, mixed with care, and exposed to the heat of the oven that they transform into something delicious and whole. Similarly, life provides us with the raw materials that require our effort and dedication to turn into the outcomes we desire. The beauty of the process is that it shapes us while we work towards our goals. Each step we take builds our character, deepens our understanding, and enhances our ability to appreciate the final outcome. Without the process, we might not value the reward as deeply. Every effort, no matter how small, contributes to the bigger picture, moves us closer to our dreams. God's approach, providing ingredients instead of instant results, teaches us responsibility and stewardship. It calls us to recognize that while He is the ultimate source of all things, we are partners in bringing our aspiration to life. Through this partnership, we experience growth, develop resilience, and cultivate a spirit of gratitude. Faith in action. Faith is not just about waiting for things to happen. It is about trusting that what you need is already being provided, even if it comes in an unexpected form. When you ask for strength, you may be given challenges to build resilience. When you ask for wisdom, you may face situations that demand thoughtful reflection. When you ask for love, you might be given opportunities to show kindness and understanding first. God's answers are often subtle and requires our active participation. Just as no cake appears without someone gathering the ingredients and following the recipe, the life you dream of is shaped by your willingness to work with what you are given. This is faith in action. Believing that every small step you take with the resources you have will lead to something greater. It is easy to become discouraged when things do not come easily. However, faith calls you to trust the process, even when the outcome is unclear. It requires believing that every difficulty carries a lesson and every delay serves a purpose. With faith in action, we move forward despite uncertainty, confident that our efforts are not in vain. Faith also invites us to see the hidden blessings in our daily lives. Sometimes the very thing we dismiss as insignificant is the exact tool we need to achieve our dreams. Recognizing these hidden blessings allows us to live with greater awareness and purpose, transforming ordinary moments into stepping stones toward our goals. Recognizing the ingredients. It is easy to overlook the gift we receive when they don't match our expectations. We might dismiss a difficult job as a burden rather than a tool to develop perseverance. We may see a setback as a failure instead of a lesson in patience. Just like a baker recognizes the importance of each ingredient, we are called to see how every situation, person, or challenge can contribute to the bigger picture. God often gives us what we need, not what we want, and what we need are the tools to grow into the best version of ourselves. Instead of asking, why haven't I received what I prayed for? Consider asking, what has God already provided that I can use? Recognizing the ingredients requires a shift in perspective. It means opening our eyes to the resources and opportunities already present in our lives. Sometimes the answer to our prayers is not a dramatic event, but a quiet, consistent provision that empowers us to keep moving forward. We must also cultivate shape the ability to recognize how seemingly unrelated experiences prepare us to future success. A challenging relationship might teach us patience. A tough job might develop our skills, and an unexpected detour might lead us to new possibilities. Each experience holds value when we view it through the lens of faith. The power of effort. Effort is a key ingredient in turning potential into reality. Having faith doesn't mean sitting back and waiting passively. It means recognizing the opportunities in front of you and working with them. A baker can't wish a cake into existence. They must measure, mix, and bake. In the same way, achieving our goals requires dedication, persistence, and willingness to learn. When you ask for financial security, God might not hand you a fortune, but He might provide you with ideas, skills, and opportunities to earn. When you pray for better health, you might receive knowledge about how to take care of your body and discipline to follow through. Every great accomplishment is a result of small, consistent actions fueled by faith and effort. Effort also fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility. When you actively participate in creating your life, you appreciate the outcomes more deeply. You recognize that your action matters and your choices shape your life. This empowers you to pursue your dreams with intention and confidence. Moreover, consistent effort builds momentum. Each step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your desired outcome. Over time, these small actions accumulate into significant progress, transforming your life in ways you may not have initially imagined. Embracing patience and timing. Just as a cake needs time to bake, the blessings we seek often require patience. You can't rush the process without compromising the outcome. God's timing is perfect, even when it doesn't align with our own. Trust that the work you do today with the ingredients you have will yield the results you desire in due time. Sometimes we feel frustrated when things don't happen as quickly as we wish. But what if the delay is part of the process to prepare you for greater things? Just as an undercooked cake is not ready to be enjoyed premature, success or blessings without preparation may not be sustainable. Patience teaches us to trust the unseen and to remain steadfast. Even when the progress feels slow, it encourages us to embrace the journey and to find meaning in every step. By cultivating patience, we develop the resilience to navigate life's challenges with grace and perseverance. Gratitude for the ingredients. When you shift your perspective to see every experience as a part of God's provision, gratitude naturally follows. Each challenge, skill, and relationship is a building block for the future you desire. Even the difficult moments carry seeds of growth and transformation. Gratitude transforms how we experience life. Instead of focusing on what we lack, we become aware of the abundance already present. This awareness fosters contentment and empowers us to make the most of every opportunity. By acknowledging the value of the ingredients, we honor the process and deepens our faith. Becoming the baker of your life, you hold the power to shape your life through your choices and actions. God may provide the ingredients, but it's up to you to put them together. This means embracing your role as a co-creator with faith and intention. Just as a cake requires a baker to transform raw ingredients into something delightful, your dreams require your participation and faith. Trust that God has already given you everything you need. The rest is up to you. The beauty lays in the process, the growth, the joy of creating something meaningful with the gifts you have received. Remember, God may not hand you a finished cake, but He always provides the ingredients. You just need to take the first step. If you found this message helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more inspiring content that helps you navigate life with faith and purpose. I will continue this drawing in next week's video, so don't forget to subscribe. You won't want to miss it.